Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay images or videos on top of like media in CapCut PC. So for instance, I want to overlay this on top of the picture and I want to kind of like blend it. So go to basic in video, go to blend mode and select the one that you want. So there's this brighten one, screen one, darken, overlay, hard light, soft light, color burn, linear burn, color dodge, and multiply. And I'm just going to select, for instance, color dodge for this one, and I'm just going to scale it. And as you can see, it kind of blends in with the video. I'm trying so hard not to sneeze. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!